Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christmas time, and as you can see from my nails, this are nails by Lash Nail Garage. I actually did them myself. Lash Nail is my nail parlor. It's located in Ongatarongai, and these were my first trial nails for Christmas. So Merry Christmas guys. Today is Christmas, and I do not have an idea where we're going, but I know we're going out somewhere. So I want to get ready, and yeah, I'm doing it on camera with you guys. So this is a get ready with me video for Christmas, and maybe we can talk about life and talk about 2021 and how it has been in general. So yeah, stay tuned. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on post notifications and share the video with your friends, and let's do this. So first of all, I am going to be using this Garnier vitamin C serum on my face. Then I'll moisturize my face with, can you see it? Yes, the Even and Matte Ideal Complexion Day Cream for very oily skin. So this is how the vitamin C looks like. I guess you can see it, I'm not sure, but yes. So let's do this. So how has 2021 been for you guys? So I'll basically be breaking down my 2021 for you. So actually 2021 has gone by so fast. Like I didn't expect it to go by this fast. Like things have gone by so fast. School wise, well, I'm still in UN, in my 4th year finally, law school. Well, what else? Also, yes, I was talking about school, and this year I think I finished my 3rd year the beginning of the year, and I think I took a break. Like I can't even remember because of how the year has gone by so fast. So I think we took a break, I'm not really sure. Then now we joined 4th year. Like you guys, your N is the ghetto. Like we've had like online classes, so there are benefits to online classes. Like there are lots of benefits, especially to someone like me who does a million things. Like I do a lot of stuff apart from school. So there are very many benefits to online classes. Like you can be where you can be working at the same time in class, you can do your businesses and all that. Those are the benefits to online classes. But the disadvantages, yeah, there are many. One of them is that you don't really get to learn as much because you're so busy doing all these other things during class time and might not be able to understand. And some lecturers take online classes for granted, honestly speaking, and they keep on changing the timetable. Like they keep on changing the timetable, they come at their own time, some don't even come. Like it's a lot, and it's yeah, it's just annoying. So before I continue with school, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera, then I'll come back and continue with 2021 storytelling. So my eyebrows are done. Don't worry about the masking tape. I'm using it to map out like exactly where I want my eyeshadow to end. So I'm using my concealer, it's already on the brush, to create a base for the eyeshadow. I actually don't know which eyeshadow colors I want to use for this one. I thought I would use red because it's Christmas, and white, but I don't have red, I don't have white. I only have some green, which is very light. Let me show you. It's very light green, so I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I'm gonna do something. So storytelling. Yes, so I was talking about school, and 4th year has been so now I'm in 4th year. I'm still in my 4.1 and we're doing our exams in January. So we did online classes, but now they want us to do like physical exams, man. I am so pissed because like the online classes were, online classes, like UN online classes. Then now we're doing physical exams. I have no idea what is going to happen, because actually when you were in first year, is it first year to third year, we've been doing like 3 units per semester. Then we come to fourth year and we're supposed to be doing a minimum of 6 units. I'm doing 7. So I'm imagining like doing 7 physical exams from the usual 3 physical exams, man. It's stressful, but we're gonna make it. So let me finish my eyeshadow because I don't think I can concentrate while talking to you guys, but I'll be right back. So I'm done with the eye look. That is how it looks like so far. So we're going to continue with the rest of the face as we continue with the stories. So where was I? I was at fourth year. So yes, I'm about to finish school. Hopefully I'll graduate next year, which is a good thing. Yes, which is a very good thing. I'll be so happy when I graduate, like, so that I can focus on like my business and my modeling and what else, a lot of other things before I join KSL in 2023. So yes, that's basically my 2021 school summary. So we move on to what do we talk about next? Talk about my modeling. Yes, so most of you know I am a professional model, and with COVID and everything, like, we did not have as much business and all, so I didn't do much last year. This year I did close to good enough, but then one of my biggest milestones was my billboard. I know I have not done a video for my billboard, but my Jumia Black Friday billboard, that was just a big milestone. We also did a TVC, but it never came out, so I don't know about that. But I did a billboard, guys. Yeah, it was one of my, you see, when you're starting, you have goals in your career. In my modeling career, one of my goals was to be on a TVC billboard, to also like walk international runways, which I have still not yet done, but I know I will do it one day, one time. So yeah, one of the goals was to be on a billboard and a TVC, and I got to live that goal. And you guys, don't be afraid to dream your wildest dreams. Like, they'll come true. Like, I lived in a TVC billboard dream, and we didn't go for auditions. The auditions were online. So going for the COVID checkup, then going again for fittings, then now we have to go and like shoot the whole thing, the TVC plus the billboard, and also like when your TVC can wanna take 1, take 2, take 3, like that experience was amazing. Like I cannot trade it for the world. That was it for my modeling career. Yeah, and also did a show. I did a runway show like 2 weeks ago, or is it 3 weeks ago? I can't remember. The Odaomo fashion show, and I had fun. The outfits were amazing. The people I met were amazing. The people I worked with were amazing. I might do I might do a video for the whole show. I recorded some things, so I'm still not yet sure if I'm going to edit it and post it here for you guys, so that you can see how the show went. And yeah, my modeling was amazing. So I'm going to finish my face, then we can continue with story time. Hey guys, so this is almost the final look. I still haven't done my lipstick and my lashes, which I'll do before the end of the video. But we're talking about 2021. So we've talked about my school life and my modeling life, and oh yes, 2021 I also started my business, my lash nail garage business. So we're almost turning one. We're turning one in a few weeks, and I'm really proud of myself. But I've also experienced a lot of challenges in running a physical business. I have done various businesses before, but I've never had a physical shop, and I have experienced a lot of challenges, which I might talk about in a later video. So if you really are interested in learning how to run a business and all that, yes, you can leave it down in the comment section. My nose string is misbehaving, but yes, so 2021 I started my nail business, and I have learned a lot. I have gone through those challenges that I will share maybe later on, but I'm really proud of myself. I'm proud for the growth and everything that I've been able to achieve with the business, as you can see. Then what else has happened in 2021? I met a lot of new people who I am really happy I met. Also, what else have I done in this year? I have lost friends. I have lost people who are close to people that I love, and actually loss has been a really challenging thing for me during this season. Okay, so like I've been really thinking about like loss a lot, and thinking about the meaning of life. Okay, give me a second. Yes, so when you're a child, like you never really think of death and loss as much, but now when you're growing up, these things really happen, and it's scary. But yeah, it's also life. So yeah, 2021 also had its very low moments, but other than that, I am really happy that I got to see 2021 through till Christmas today. And yeah, I'm hoping that the new year is gonna be greater and more amazing in everything. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching the video till this point. I'll be doing my lipstick and lashes off camera, then come back and show you the final look. I will also show you like the final outfit for the day. I'm really not sure what I'm going to wear. I'm not sure if I want to do a wig or if I'm going to style my natural hair. I don't know, but I might do a red wig so that it goes with the season and it matches my nails. But other than that, I hope your 2021 has been great. If not, we have 2022 ahead of us to make the difference and do more amazing things. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Continue subscribing, and yeah, see you. So guys, here's the final makeup look. I decided to go with the red hair so that it matches everything else. So I'll just comb it nicely. Then I have this white top, this black corset that I got from Think Twice for 100 shillings. And I have this jeans and my black boots, as you can see. And there's this bracelet that I got. That's the bracelet. Then there's this necklace, a 3-layered necklace. And then I'll put on some earrings. And that's the final look for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wish you a Merry Christmas. May you enjoy your day. I hope you have enjoyed your time. And do not forget the reason for the season. So see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the post notifications. Till next time, Merry Christmas, guys.